Welcome back to the AM Edit, your cozy corner for wellness, rituals, and just figuring it all out together. I'm Kristen, your friendly guide through the wild ride of aging well, healing, and making peace with life transitions. And today, we're talking about something near and very dear to my heart: caffeine. Yes, coffee, matcha, that glorious morning cup of yes. But here's the deal. If you're over 35 and starting to notice that your usual caffeine hit is hitting different, you're not crazy, you're not broken, you're just human with hormones. Let's unpack it. First, let's dive a bit deeper into what's actually going on with your body after 35. Because no one, absolutely no one, gives you a heads up about this stuff. Around your mid-30s, subtle shifts start happening hormonally. Estrogen and progesterone, those powerhouse hormones, aren't quite syncing up the way they used to. They're still there, still doing their jobs, but their rhythm shifts. Your body starts needing a bit more intentional support, maybe a little more rest, a little more nutrition, and definitely a little more mindfulness. And then comes caffeine, our beloved morning ritual. Coffee has been our friend, our confidant, and yes, our savior on some sleepy mornings. But what used to energize you might now be leaving you jittery, anxious, or even more tired than before. Why does this happen? Well, caffeine, while delightful and comforting, can stir the pot of our hormonal balance, especially cortisol, our stress hormone. After 35, our bodies become increasingly sensitive to this delicate balance. Caffeine raises cortisol levels, and high cortisol isn't just about feeling stressed. It's about how your body manages energy, mood, and even blood sugar. Too much cortisol can lead to anxiety, restlessness, and that frustrating, wired but tired feeling many of us know too well. And trust me, if you found yourself staring wide-eyed at the ceiling at 2 a.m., questioning every life choice after that extra latte, I've been there too, more than once. But don't panic. I'm not here to tell you to quit coffee. This is not about deprivation, it's about smart strategies. Here are some simple yet powerful shifts that have genuinely changed the game for me. Delay your first cup. Wait about 60 to 90 minutes after waking. This gives your body a chance to naturally balance its cortisol levels, letting your hormones gently rise on their own before you introduce caffeine. Eat first. I know grabbing coffee first thing feels instinctual, but a small snack, even just a handful of almonds or a bite of banana, can help stabilize your blood sugar and prevent that roller coaster ride of highs and lows later in the day. Set a caffeine curfew. If your sleep has been less than stellar, try cutting off caffeine by early afternoon, around 1 or 2 p.m. You might be amazed at how this helps restore restful sleep. Cycle your caffeine. Introduce variety into your routine. Alternate coffee days with matcha, herbal teas, or even half-caff blends. Giving your body breaks creates resilience, allowing you to enjoy caffeine without the drawbacks. Let's talk rituals and reframing our energy. What if energy isn't something you have to chase with quick fixes, but something cultivated gently and sustainably? Think about energy coming from the rituals you create: restful sleep, nourishing food, mindful movement, sunlight, hydration, and quiet moments before diving into the digital scroll. This isn't complicated, but it is intentional. And there's deep magic in simplicity. Your body isn't betraying you, it's becoming more attuned, more intuitive. It's inviting you to listen, pay attention, and respond with care. So yes, have your coffee today, but sip it slowly after breakfast, light a candle, stretch a bit, make it a meaningful moment. Because ultimately, this is the heart of what we're all about here. Honoring your rhythms, nurturing your intuition, and growing gently. All right, my friend, that's today's chat. Remember, if your relationship with caffeine feels off lately, you're not alone. Your body is simply asking you to evolve alongside it. So try a small shift this week. Maybe delay your coffee slightly, snack first, or replace that afternoon cup with a walk or water. No pressure, just gentle curiosity. I'd love to hear about your experiences and wellness shifts. Tag me, message me, or share your Substack. Let's keep growing and learning together. This is the AM Edit, your place to grow gently, honor your rhythms, and sip slowly. Take care of yourself, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.